Hello, hi, it's Liz here, back with December. Date is the 17th and it's, let's see, flip out page and old photos. So we'll put the journal to the side and we will show you, or I will show you, what I'm going to use for my flip out page and my old photos. So I have this tin of old family photos. These are ones I have chosen from the photos that were left to me when my mum and dad are no longer here. And these are ones that I don't know who they are. I know the occasional person, but I really don't know in the main. And I have a stack full of nice old family photos in albums and, you know, in another box. And so these are the ones that I've decided that I can use in my journaling. So I picked out one of them. And it's this one, which I think might be my dad's mum, my gran, and my dad's older two brothers, but I can't be sure. Can't remember what my gran looked like when she was younger, and I don't know. I don't know if that's them or not. And I've also got this old, which looks like someone at a fairground. I don't know if you can see that. So I thought I would use these two old photographs. For my flip out, I'm going to use this envelope, which came to me by my subscriber that I'm friendly with, and I've actually met Josephine because she came to visit Glasgow, and we met her and her husband last, I think it was last summer, and she sent me a Christmas card with lovely stamps and washes on it, and I thought, right, that's the very thing. I'll use this as a flip, and it can also be a pocket. So I'm going to decorate it up just using very simply, using my photographs, and then I've got a few words to add to this, and we will use the punch, I think, on the top there, just to signify that it's a pocket as well as a flip out. In fact, do we want to attach it to the page? I was going to use this page and attach it there like that, so that it flips out, and then we can decorate this at another point. So I think I'll attach it first. Just using some washi. Let me think. This might be quite nice because it's got shades of brown there. So we can put it just there. And then just cut it off. Let's turn that round. And we can just trim that off like that. So we can do that. We'll have it in the middle, I know it. And then we will open it up and put the same washi down here. There, that should hold it in, I hope. Yeah. And we can decorate that up or use some, or I might put my next photograph in there and write up a wee journal entry. Okay, let's do a little thumb, if I can there, it's there. I'm putting it to the side because I don't want to lose any of these nice stamps. So I'm just going to put my thumb to the side there, just to signify that that's a pocket. And we can put something in there at a future point and easily decorate this up just by adding these photographs. And then we can put our 17 somewhere. We could maybe stamp it on top of that photograph. I wonder if we would need to use Stays On for that. Could put it on the back and flip the photograph. Do we see through that? I could maybe do it there and we could maybe see through. Yeah, because you can see through that. I'm going to put it here and hope for the best. Right. Don't put the numbers in the lid. You need the lid to close the thing. There. Okay. Yeah, we can see that. We can see through. Yeah, quite good. So we'll put that one there and we'll put that one there. Now, I wonder how we're going to attach this. Which glue would be best? Or I'm thinking maybe I've put my ink on top of it. Some of this that looks like old sellotape. So we'll put it about there. And a little bit up the side, I think. There, because that will hold that bit down. Yeah. Right. And I have got glue all over there. That's okay. Off we go. Put it there at a jaunty angle. Right. So I have these words. These are loose ones, but it's Tim Holtz before he put them on a binder. And it's Ideology, Clippings sticker book. And I have got, I thought their fondness for each other might be quite nice. And to dream of all the happy days might be quite nice. And there is one here called Very Fragile Remnants. And I thought that was perfect. And I think I might use all three actually. So we'll put their fond their fondness for each other. Oh, going to need a little bit of glue on that. Their fondness for each other to dream of all the happy days. And then very fragile moments, and I'm going to put that up there. That's not sticking down at the end there because it's on the bump. Doesn't matter. Very fragile remnants. It's better. Okay, is that us? I think that's us for that one. We have a flip. So what is the prompt? Flip out page, old photos. Well, I think we've ticked that off. We've got a flip, which is also a pocket, and we've got our old photos, an old negative, and I was going to say a positive, but you know what I mean, and an old unknown relative. So yeah, which I think might be just my dad's mum, my dad's two older brothers. They look very smart, don't they? With their caps on. That must have been their school uniform with their shorts and their blazers. Yeah. So that's 17th done. So I think I'm maybe nearly up to date. Although another day will pass. Yeah, probably not up. Probably still running 1 or 2 days behind, knowing me. But anyway, thanks for joining me today. And if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.